Welcome. In today's short and straightforward tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to remove your display picture on Gmail using your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. This is the email service that we all know and love. Next, tap your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, it's time to manage your Google account. So tap on Manage your Google account. Once you're in, look for your profile picture again and tap on it. You'll see an option that says Change at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap that to proceed. Here, you have the option to add a new photo from your gallery or even take a fresh one. Once you've selected or taken your photo, tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Now see the option to Set as Profile Picture? Tap that. Finally, confirm your action by tapping Remove one more time. And there you have it. You've successfully removed or changed your display picture on Gmail. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.